What is the cheapest time of year for tree removal in York, Pennsylvania? Most tree pros say the late fall through winter months, roughly November through February, are typically the most affordable times to schedule removals. That's when trees are dormant, demand for tree crews drops, and many companies offer better rates or seasonal availability. With leaves gone and crews less booked, the work often goes smoother and can cost less than peak seasons. If you need any help, feel free to contact at Oathkeepers Tree Care. Address: 1180 Conewago Ave, Manchester, PA 17345, United States. Phone number: 717-378-1776. Website: oathkeeperstreecare.com. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.